Good morning, sir. Okay. Hey guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. We have we have good number. Okay. Before going to start the session, any questions on designing the Selenium IDE script or anything that you want me to repeat or no? Are we good?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So any progress on designing the scripts or still in progress, or what is the status from your end? Anyone? Arun starts with
Has
the name. Yeah.
has completed, sir. But in
Yeah.
the drive, it asking the permission. We don't have access to upload.
Okay. You already completed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next. Chandra Kumari.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Good morning.
I have completed it all, sir. But
Okay.
link cannot access, sir. That's why I am not enter in
Okay.
the.
Okay. Fine. Manasa. Manasa.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
By the end of the day, I will complete it and send it, sir.
How many you have completed so far?
3, sir.
Sorry.
3 only, sir.
Okay. Pravalika Jagiri.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir, I have completed.
Okay. Fine. Next one. Harikana. Yeah. Completed or any pending? Completed?
4.
Okay. Fine.
Madam.
Jyoti Banu Harish. I think even yeah, Jyoti Banu Harish.
Yes, sir.
Even manual cases also haven't received with your name, right?
Sir.
Why?
So my Excel sheet was expired, sir.
I don't have answer for that.
I'll try to make it, sir.
No,
Manual testing. I have completed Selenium ID, sir.
I don't know. I observed many more times when we have that interaction session. You are leaving the class. I don't know why. What is the reason behind that?
The network issue, sir, is there.
Exactly when
Sometimes
I'm asking the question, do you have that network issue? Jyoti K. Hi Jyoti. Jyoti, are you there? Jyoti K.
Yes.
Can you please talk to this guy, or can you please talk to this lead and let me know the feedback from him?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you. Over to Konanki Chandu.
Sir, I have completed. Hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
I have completed, sir.
Okay.
I didn't upload a manual test cases. There is an issue, sir.
That's fine. Issue is everyone is facing, right?
Yes,
We'll
sir.
get the access for that. That's not an issue.
Thank you, sir.
Koteshwara,
Sir, good morning, sir.
good morning.
I have done my assignment, sir.
Okay. How many you have completed?
3, sir.
Okay, fine. Koteshwara
Sir, but
Dulpala.
you have opened Notepad, sir.
I understand that permission issue you're telling, right?
Sir.
Yeah. Everyone is facing that. Maybe they'll give the access to everyone. Okay.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
worry
Thank you,
about
sir.
it. Yeah. Koteshwara Dulpala,
I have completed 2, sir.
2 completed. Okay.
So,
What are those you have completed?
completed W3 schools link copy and we'll do some test cases. So you'll run.
Okay.
But I don't know how to send or mails.
No, that's fine. You said 2 cases that you have completed, right? One is something
Yes, sir.
related to W3 school. Second one, what is that?
Second one also W3 schools only, sir.
Okay.
You tell debug and break.
Mm,
Same link only will do.
I understand. I understand, Koteshwara. What are the 2 functionalities that you have designed? One is in W3 schools, you said some copy or something related to that. You have designed one script. What is the second
sir.
script that you have designed?
Second script Amazon, sir.
Okay.
Amazon link.
Okay. What is the functionality?
Same one only, sir. Link
Sorry.
copy and something.
Link copy. Okay, I'll come to
We
you.
will run and purchase the product. Such.
Mhm. Okay, I'll come to you. Right. So Madhavi.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning, Madhavi.
I have come, but I don't have any access to
So
see.
can you please repeat? Can you please repeat how many you have
I have-
completed? Madhavi, when you are telling the number exactly, your voice is breaking down. Rest
Sir,
of the
4
comments I'm able.
assignments, sir.
Okay. What
I
are
have one
those?
query, sir. Sir,
What are those 4 you have
in
completed?
cross sentence, how to purchase that product design, sir. And
Okay.
in Redbus, in redbus.com, how to book seats, sir.
Okay. Mhm.
I also eventbrite.com. I just search few functionalities.
Okay. Okay.
I had one query, sir.
Okay. What is that?
First, I write test cases and run test cases. It executed successfully, sir. After some time, I executed same test cases. I see some errors, sir. Is it possible?
It might be possible. Why? Because the website that you have selected is something related to a secured one. Okay. So they might track all these things. If let's say for I'm just considering this Redbus as an example. Okay, so maybe I don't know whether your issue is with Redbus script or whether it is with Eventbrite or whether it is with that Crocs functionality, Crocs handles purchase functionality. I don't know, but there is a possibility that you might get error for the script which is already successful. The reason behind that is whenever you are automating, Whenever you are continuously hitting that particular application, automatically they'll come to know that their website is going to be automated. So in that case, what they're going to do is they're going to change some security alerts at the backend. So whenever they are going to change it, automatically the failure percentage will be more. I don't know whether you are aware of this or not. Like old like Gmail and this Amazon website, Facebook website, and Flipkart, all these are being used for a testing purpose from long back. I can say around 8 to 9 years before, everyone used to have these applications to automate. Every training institute is going to consider this application and they are going to automate it. If they are doing this kind of automation, this application owners like Google, Facebook, Flipkart, Amazon, they got some doubts and they have seen some unwanted requests in their database. So that's one of the main reason they have stopped automating their website through the public IP address. So if you are going to automate Gmail, or if you are going to automate some other application, it will not give the complete effective results, but still they're giving permissions with some security reasons. So whatever the issue that you are saying is, yes, we may have that. So you executed it and the script is being passed, and once again, if you are trying to execute, it is failed. Yes, that might be a security reason for that website. But don't worry, we will see that error and we'll come to know. Okay. Next, Pooja Edla.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Completed, sir.
How many completed?
3 I completed, sir.
What are those?
Search product, Amazon, Flipkart search product, and search product in Crocs sandals.
Okay. What are the major differences you observed in these three?
Sir, same process.
Okay. What is the new thing that you have learned after designing these three?
It is based on same functionalities. Sir. Those three are.
Okay. Same functionality means what are the extra steps that you have observed in the third functionality when you are purchasing Croc sandals? What is that extra step that you have observed? Amazon search product is fine. Okay. Which is same again. Flipkart search product is also similar. That is also fine. Right? Both are similar. But third one, you said you designed a case where you are going to search for the brand called Crocs.
Yes, sir.
Right? So what makes the difference between this particular third case when you compare with first and second one?
Sir, in Crocs sandals, we will get more number of sandals. We are going to buy sandals and search over the sandals, sir.
That's fine, but the Selenium IDE script wise I'm talking about, how many steps, extra steps that were added to that list? 1 or 2 or 3? What is that?
Sir, I don't remember that much.
That's an important thing. That's an
Sir,
important thing.
sir,
I'll come to that point. I'll explain that point in this session. We'll discuss about that.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Then over to Pradeep.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Pradeep.
I have completed 3, sir.
Okay.
In what is
What
the
are those?
online purchasing product, sir, in Amazon?
Okay.
Sandals.
Okay.
Third, second one is open the log into WhatsApp, sir.
Login
Second one
to
is the WhatsApp
WhatsApp.
login, sir.
Web
Yes, sir.
login, you said.
WhatsApp. Oh, yeah, yes, sir.
Web login.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure it is when you play the same script again and again it is working?
So it's completely working, sir. Successful.
It is successfully working.
Yes, sir.
I'm surprised, Pradeep. I'm so excited to see
Why?
this
Why?
because we have CAPTCHA in this one. We have QR code in this functionality.
I don't know,
So
but success. I don't
that's
know.
what
But
my question. So if you want to log in into web WhatsApp,
yes,
so
sir.
you must scan the QR code.
Sir. But I have used my mobile, sir.
What you have used?
Mobile, sir. QR
That's what my question is. When you are scanning again with your mobile, then manual intervention is there, right?
sir.
What
Sorry.
is the way that we have done automation here? Did you understand my question?
Okay.
Suppose
I'm only using the mobile, sir. So I understood, sir.
when you are automating the script or when you are playing the script, again it will ask you to scan the QR code. What you are going to do? Again, you are going to scan the QR code and again you are going to log in. Suppose if you want to execute it for 10 times, what will happen? You have to scan that QR code for 10 times. If you
Okay.
are not going to scan, what will happen? The script is going to be failed.
Failed, sir. Yes, sir.
That's my question. Okay,
Okay.
that's
Okay.
fine. I understand. So continue. What is the next one?
Yeah, third one is open the website, sir. In 3-2 school, W3 school, sir.
In W3 schools. Okay.
Sir.
What
Sir.
is that? Oh, just opening the website only?
Only opening the website, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Some in Amazon sandal purchases, some error, those 2 are errors, sir. Comes, sir. Yeah, 2 are errors comes, sir.
Okay. Uh-huh.
That's it, sir.
Okay. 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 Fine. Over to Raghu Maram.
Hi, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes.
Just 1 second, Raghu. Just give me a moment.
Okay.
Yes, please. Yeah. Continue, Raghu.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
How?
3, sir.
What are those?
Amazon shopping. I will buy product on Amazon, sir. T-shirt.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Amazon shopping.
Shirt, sir. Buy in shirt.
shirt. Okay, what are the functionalities that you have selected here?
Wait, sir.
What are the functionalities that you have selected while purchasing a shirt in Amazon?
Yes, sir. URL, sir. URL copy and paste after.
I understand when you are purchasing a product, okay, so you selected the shirt, right?
Yeah. Right, sir.
After selecting the shirt,
Okay, sir.
after selecting the shirt, what are the other options that you have selected?
Sir, all are similar, sir. Amazon shopping and shirt also similar process. Sir.
Raghu, you didn't understand my question. Don't talk about the URL or the functionality that I'm talking about. I'm talking about
Side,
the
sir.
options.
Side, sir.
What are the other things apart from size?
That one is size and price, color, price.
Okay. Okay. How comfortable you are while selecting these options? Because when I'm asking these questions, I know about the functionality and I know how the complexity behind that. So that's the reason I'm talking about the questions again and again.
Okay, sir. Sir, but I do all both similar types, sir. Amazon. First URL copy paste recording status success, sir.
Fine. Let's hope for the best. I'll try to get you a script and I'll just want to understand how this script is going to be executed.
Okay, sir.
Okay, over to Ramesh Venkatakonka.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I have 3 completed, sir.
Okay, what are those?
Amazon purchase an iPad, sir.
Purchase an iPad. Okay.
YouTube search test automation, sir.
YouTube. Okay.
Google search AHA account, sir.
What is that? What you have searched?
AHA account,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. In the first case, while purchasing an iPad in Amazon, so what are the features that you have selected? Ramesh Venkatakonka.
iPad mini, sir.
Okay, when you select that particular product, you'll have more options at the bottom of that product, right?
Yes, sir.
What are the options that you have selected?
One option, sir. I open Amazon.
Next.
I search an iPad, sir. A mini iPad and searches, sir.
Okay. Next.
Close, sir.
Then where is the functionality of purchasing a product here? You said you purchasing that iPad in Amazon, right?
One searches, sir.
Okay, fine. Shivraj Palakurti. I think even from this guy also, I didn't see any manual test cases, right, Shivraj? Shivraj Palakurti. Shivraj Palakurti. Sirupa Saket. Sirupa Saket.
Sir.
Yes, go ahead. What are the scripts that you have designed and what is the progress?
Sir, I was absent in last class, sir. Today I will follow up the YouTube and I will do, sir.
Can you please do the same activity from next time onwards on the same day? Follow up the YouTube video on the same day, at least for 5 to 10 minutes, so that you'll come to know what are the assignments. Okay, Sri Chandana Yadav.
Yes, I completed 5, sir.
Okay, what are those?
Buying a course from Byju's and
Buying a
buying
course from Byju's. Okay.
Crocs sandals in online and uploading file from Google Drive, sir. And buying a product from Nike app. Purchase specs from Lenskart.
Even I'm excited to see your script, Sri Chandana. Let's wait for that. I don't have
Oh,
any inputs right away. So
okay,
after seeing that, I'll come to know. Okay.
okay, sir.
Thank you. Over to Suman Yadav.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Sir,
morning.
I have done only 2, sir. One is IRCTC train booking, and one more is Wikipedia.com.
Wikipedia. IRCTC train booking.
Yes, sir.
How?
Copying URL.
What are the
And
steps
search
that you
for
have followed?
yes, sir. Search for train from to.
See, you designed only searcha or you designed booking ticket? What is that?
No, sir. Only search.
Then IRCTC booking means what is going to happen here?
Booking means
IRC,
it ask.
it will ask.
Yes, sir. It will. And where do we go?
Even in that
Which
website
time?
also,
Which time?
I don't see that comfort, that comfortness in that, even in that website, because there will be a lot of ads that are coming up into the picture or pop-ups
Yes,
are
sir.
going to come. I don't know how comfortable you are while designing the script.
So it's
With
not
IRC.
completed, sir.
Then you said you
Yes,
completed.
sir. That means I'm. Can I say? Sir?
Suman, what you have
It's
completed?
going disturbance.
What you have completed, what you have not completed, two are different things. How many scripts that you have completed so far? 1 or 2? If you completed 2, what are those?
Also, I said say Wikipedia, opening Wikipedia website.
That's fine. Wikipedia doesn't have any functionality. Just open that website, search for some content. You'll have some content, scroll down and close the website. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Wikipedia doesn't have anything to monitor. Wikipedia doesn't have anything to operate. Wikipedia doesn't have any complexities.
Yes, sir.
Apart from
Just
that, what is the
opening.
second thing that you have done?
IRCTC, I search in.
Okay.
I search Google and copy the URL and paste
Okay.
it in. It is in test case, sir. So
Okay.
recording fast, slow. I done many things, sir, but I'm not.
Leave about the options of Selenium ID. I'm just talking about the functionality that you have recorded. So first you said IRCTC train booking. So
Yes,
that's
sir.
not the functionality you have done. Second time you said you did search for some source and destination in IRCTC website. Okay.
Yeah, sir. I did not search.
You did search or you did not?
I did not search, sir.
You did not search for that. Third point that you are saying is you just search for IRCTC in Google and you navigate it to that website. That's
Yeah,
it.
that's it.
So what are the things that you have completed then here? Both are related to opening a website. That's it.
Yeah, sir. So I done only open the websites.
Can you please do some more functionalities or some more steps in the same website or in another website?
What, sir?
Can you select another functionality and design a couple more test cases? That's what I'm talking about.
No, sir.
Yeah, complete it and do it in the same format. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll done today, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Uday Kiran Reddy. Uday Kiran Reddy. Are you able to listen my voice or you do not want to respond at all? What is the issue? Yaram Seti Vamsi Shiva Gopi.
Yeah, hi sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I completed 3, sir.
What are those?
Yeah, Flipkart search functionality,
Okay.
government property tax search functionality, and Redbus ticket booking.
I don't know. Redbus ticket booking. Okay, leave about that. Property tax, government tax functionality you are saying, right? What is that exactly?
Yeah, property tax. How to pay the property tax search functionality. First, we have to select the district. After that, corporation.
I'm just thinking about CAPTCHA and OTP. OTP. Do we have anything
No,
like
no,
that?
no, sir. No,
Its
sir.
functionality. Well,
Direct link, sir. It
okay,
is a cdma.apgovernment.com.
okay. I understand. I got it now. Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yenamula Pratyusha.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, today I will not complete, sir. Tomorrow end of the day I'm completed. Sir.
So far you haven't done anything.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you. back to Uday Kiran Reddy again. Shivaraj Palakurti. Did your mic issue resolved? Fine. Okay. One second. Fine. So what are the challenges that you observed so far? So one thing that when I'm talking to Pradeep, I guess, right? So he said WhatsApp web, one of the biggest challenge. That is the one challenge that we observed so far. What are the other areas? What are the other challenges that we are going to have when we are automating an application or a functionality? So what are the other challenges? Anyone, any inputs from your end? Anyone can analyze that? What are the challenges we may have? Because you designed few scripts so far, right? So you'll have some idea on what is happening, right? So based on your analysis, what are the challenges that we may have while designing the script? What are those?
Sometimes when we copy the link and start recording, so the recording was not happening.
Sometimes when we copy the link, okay,
And the recording was not continuing. It was stuck.
okay,
I was
don't
copied
see
many
it.
of the URLs. It was same. When I was unpin the Selenium ID and then I can do it was
It is working, huh?
yes, sir.
Maybe that I have to see, because so far I haven't seen that issue. Let's see if I get a chance, I'll check it out. So what are the other things?
Nothing, sir.
Anyone, any other inputs? Guys, it's your chance to answer this question, because if you are silent, I thought that you are perfect in Selenium ID. You don't have any things to discuss. Can I take it as yes, you don't have any questions? Can we move forward to Core Java?
Sir, while running the script, it getting like a mouse over error.
Okay.
Why, sir? Why like that?
Okay. Okay. I'll answer to this question. So the same issue we faced when I design the script, when I'm showing you, when I'm explaining you Selenium IDE, even we face the same issue. We got the same issue. Why? Answer to this question. First, remember the points related to the definitions of manual and automation. Okay. Automation means it's an automatic activity which is going to perform. So that's one of the main reason where the script has to automatically identify that particular website. First thing. Okay. In one of the session, I explained you an example. Let me share my screen. Is this the one? Yeah. In one of this example, when I'm talking about this elements or locators concept, I said one point. As a humans, we will be able to understand which link we are clicking on, which field we are looking into, and which button we are clicking on, and which text field we are entering the data and all, we'll be able to understand. But when it comes to automation script, automation script will not understand which button it is clicking and which field it is entering the data, and which text area that it is using for entering the text. Automation will not be able to identify. Even Selenium IDE is also will not be able to identify whether it is a button or whether it is a whether it is clicking on so and so button or whether it is clicking on so and so link. Selenium IDE will not able to identify. Selenium IDE will be able to identify by using the target column, whatever the content or whatever the things that you are seeing in the target column. Based on that, Selenium IDE will be able to identify, okay, this particular, let me show you one example here. Okay, here under this target column, you are able to see ID is equals to ocean-search-form1. Okay, here click on CSS is equals to icon-magnifier greater than SVG. That means when the website is being opened, when you open the website, it will search for this particular target value. CSS is equals to, okay, in this website where CSS is equals to icon-magnifier greater than CSG, where this particular target is available, where this link text is available, Java link text is equals to Java multi-threading, where this is available, CSS is equals to site-search-toggle, where this is available. So as a humans, we'll be able to understand where we are clicking on, but as a Selenium IDE, it doesn't understand where it is clicking on, because the human terminology is different and automation terminology is different. I'll show you even in the browser also, where you can see all these things. On that particular note, as Selenium IDE or any other automation tool will not be able to understand what is the option that we are clicking on, whenever you are seeing such type of mouse over, whenever you are seeing such type of multi-selection, so there are few areas where automatically Selenium IDE will not be able to figure out. So Selenium IDE will not be able to identify this kind of captchas, OTP, mouse over. Whenever you, what do you know what is meant by mouse over? Mouse over means when you keep the mouse. This is the website, right? When you keep the mouse on this particular tutorial, automatically this drop down comes. Without clicking on tutorials, you'll be able to see all this list. Just keep the mouse on tutorials, that's it. This is called mouse hover. When you click on this particular tutorials, if these options are coming, then Selenium IDE will be able to identify. Right? When you keep your mouse on this particular thing, and if you're trying to click on this one, what will happen? Automatically this particular menu will be identified, but this mouse over, whenever you are keeping your mouse here, it will not be able to identify. Not only this time, every time when you design the script related to mouse over, or the script is having mouse over, it is failed. It will be failed. What are the other alternatives that we can have? Anyone? Sri Chandana, you asked this question, right?
Yes, sir.
So what are the other alternatives that you observed? Any analysis that you have done?
Mm,
No analysis?
no, sir.
Okay. Maybe this website is not supporting. One second. Skip to content. No. So maybe this you'll not be able to see those options in this website. They have designed in such using such technology. I can say maybe if I'm going to tell you AngularJS right now, you'll not be able to understand that. Maybe going forward, I'll explain you. But here, if you observe, there is other option. When you keep your mouse in URL, and if you click on tab, button, it should come here actually to these tutorials. When your tab comes onto tutorials, automatically this list will display and you can select the option. That's an alternative, but this website is not supporting the tab. When I'm clicking on tab, it is not highlighting these tutorials. Maybe it will not support. The other alternative options are something like where you have to click on this one where you have to get this information, but which is not supporting right now. Okay, always if you are using such type of websites, mouse over may not work. Mouse over may not work. Understand what is the issue behind that? As a humans, we will be able to understand what is tutorials, but Selenium IDE will not be able to identify. Selenium IDE will not navigate the mouse to tutorials. Right?
Yes, sir.
Understood or
Understood.
not? Okay. Now you are seeing all these target values here, right? So where you can get where these target values are coming from to this Selenium IDE? From where you are going to get it? Right? Obviously, we have to get it from this website only. Obviously, we have to get it from the website only. There is no other alternative options when you are getting all these values are here. Right? So let's see. I'll show you what is this website related to. Search for test automation, right? Yeah, search for test automation. What is the first step that we have? Tech beamers. Second step is maximizing the browser. Third step is we are clicking on this icon. This icon. We are clicking on this icon. So the website is only techbeamers.com. This is the website that we navigated to, and we clicked on this icon, right? Right click on this icon, click on inspect. If you click on inspect, this is highlighted with blue color. Whatever the blue color highlighted one that you are seeing on the screen is the code that is being designed for this particular search icon. Okay, so this is some random code that is being generated. Okay, this code is being allocated to this search icon by the developers. So for this search icon, for this code, we are seeing target here. CSS is equals to icon hyphen magnifier greater than SVG. You can see this is the one, SVG. Okay, from where we are getting CSS is equals to icon hyphen magnifier from this span class. From this span class. Even there is some other thing where you can open this drop down. If you have other options to this one, you can see this one. Only CSS is available. Rest of the types are not available. So icon magnifier is coming from this one. CS span class is equals to icon hyphen magnifier greater than SVG. That's how it is being designed automatically by Selenium IDE. If you click on link text Java multi-threading, right? So let's see where is this one. This is the one. Right click, inspect. This one. You can see the name Java multi-threading. But here what is being captured? Link text is equals to Java space multi-threading. The name is coming from here. This is the name that we are seeing on the screen. But how can you decide that whether it is a link text or some other target type? Wherever it starts with A, whenever you are inspecting the element, and whenever it starts with A means anchor tag. A means anchor tag. Anchor means it's a link on the website. It's a link on the website. When you keep the mouse here, it displays the hand symbol, right? So this type of data is nothing but a link on the website, hyperlinks on the website. Generally, these hyperlinks starts with anchor tag A. Based on this, if it is an anchor tag, automatically we can consider that as a link text. We can consider that as a link text. So that's the reason it is showing as link text is equals to Java multi-threading, but there is another option, maybe partial link text. Why it is not highlighting? One second. Yeah, you can see this one. If I open this drop down, you can see multiple options here, right? Link text is equals to Java multi-threading, and I haven't explained yet this one XPath and all. Still, we need to discuss more on elements and locators. So this topic will come when I'm discussing about elements or locators in WebDriver. So I haven't explained what is XPath, and we have absolute XPath and relative XPath, and all these things we need to discuss. I'll discuss with you when I'm discussing about the concept. But just try to understand how this automation works. Automation is not is being developed by the humans, but still if you want to automate, but sorry, but if you want to automate, the application will never consider the human terminology. Application will always think about the code. Application will always think about the backend technology only. It will never rely on the front end what we are seeing, except this link text, the name of the link text what you are seeing, right? Except that one, remaining everything will be considered from the backend only. Understood from where we are getting this target value?
Sure.
Anyone have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So even whatever the script that you have designed, even you can just click on that particular script, and if you can open the drop down, you'll be able to see multiple options here for linked, if multiple options are available. If not, it will not display. If you can select this one, and if you open this drop down, maybe it is not having, even it is not having. Yeah, it is loaded. You can see it now. ID, name, CSS, XPath, all are available, right? So like these options are available in order to design the automation script. Now let's go to basics of core Java. Anyone have any idea on what is meant by core Java? What are the basic things available? Core Java. What are the features of core Java? Anyone? Basic things, guys. You have learned this concept in your academics only, right? What are the basics of core Java? Basic features of core Java. I understand.
Methods variables.
Sorry, what is that? Methods variables. Okay. Any other?
Oops, inheritance.
Mm-hmm.
Circulars.
Method overloading or method overriding.
Okay. Any other?
Hoop concept.
Mm-hmm.
Like class, object.
Mm-hmm.
Language, computer language.
Collection, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Strings. String.
Okay. Okay. I'm happy that you guys gave me a lot of inputs, but still my question is, what are the features of Java? Okay, features of core Java. Features of core Java always talks about the features, the properties, how the core Java is having, and whatever the concepts that you are saying is 100% perfect. I can say multi-threading we are having, like method overloading, method overriding, collections, control strings, strings we are having, data structures, oops, class, object, all those things are we have. Apart from that, we are having array list, all these things we are going to have, which comes under collection only mostly, but still we need to discuss about in detail on those topics. We'll discuss it. But features of core Java, first of all, we need to understand the very basic thing, and you have to interlink the points what I'm saying. Okay, so let's go back to one session. Here I mentioned one point, supports all operating systems. Okay, supports Windows operating system only. Here Selenium supports all operating systems. That means Selenium by default supports Java programming language. That means Selenium platform, Selenium drivers are being developed by using Java programming language. That's the reason it is supporting all operating systems and Java programming language, and it supports all the browsers. If you link this point to the feature of core Java, that means core Java supports all operating systems. You can install Java in any operating system. There is no limitation for that. That's one of the main reason there are a lot of technologies comes into the picture as a competitive to Java, but still Java plays an important role in the market nowadays. We have the C# comes into the picture, and we have Python comes into the picture, and we have Drupal comes into the picture. There are a lot of technologies that are coming into the place, but still there are a lot of this. I can say a decade has been handled by core Java. Complete decade. Every company almost, if they want to design a secured website, they'll go with core Java. Like that, they have this technology in place in the market at that time. One of the biggest reason is it doesn't have limitation. You can use core Java, not only core Java, you can use Java programming language as you wish. You can use Java programming language as you wish. There is no limitation at all for that. Right? So Java supports all all operating systems, and it is compatible with any kind of server, and you can install any kind of application using core Java. And second thing that you have to understand is Java is a robust language and secured language. What is meant by robust language and what is meant by secured language? Robust language means strength that it is having, the capabilities that programming language is having is nothing but robust language. That means you can design any type of program, you can design any type of program, and you can access any type of program, you can connect any type of program to this Java program. It works like a it works like a strong pillar to your functionality. So however you want to use, you can use it. Whatever the functionality that you want to use it, you can use it. It's a kind of robust language. And security, whatever the security features that it is providing, like some people said, like no one can hack the website if the website is being developed by using Java programming language. Nowadays it's happening, but still there are a lot of comments on that, because that much security features it is providing. It's one of the main reason why Java programming language is more popular than other programming languages. We have lot many more features, but maybe those are theoretical ones only. I'll share this document to you as I shared this manual testing, right? In the same format, I'll share one document to you. Just go through that and let me know if you have any questions in future. Okay, but meanwhile, another thing before proceeding to the programmatic concepts, we need to understand how Java works in the backend. How Java works in the backend. Okay, there are three terms. There are three terms which you need to remember. One is JDK, second one is JVM, third one is JRE. One is JDK, JVM, JRE. JDK means Java Development Kit. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. Third one is Java Runtime Environment. JDK, JVM and JRE. JDK means Java Development Kit. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. JRE means Java Runtime Environment. Java Runtime Environment. So how this JDK, JVM and JRE works? How these three things work? Whenever you design Java program, how these three comes into the picture? How this JDK, JVM and JRE comes into the picture? How these three things are going to work in the real time? How these three things are going to work in the real time? JDK means Java Development Kit. So if you don't install this JDK into your system, this Java program, whatever the Java program that you are going to design, that will never get executed. First thing. Second thing, Java related applications are not going to work in your system. Third thing, Java related softwares will not be able to install in your system. Even though you configure Selenium, it will not work because Selenium purely works with Java only. Okay, sir, I know C#. I want to automate my projects in C#. Do we require Java? Yes. If Selenium has to work, if you want Selenium to work properly, then you need to have Java. That's it. Internally, whatever the programming language that you want to use, it's up to you. You can make use of it. No one is going to stop that. Okay, if you want to automate your programming, if you want to automate your application with any programming language, no one is going to stop that. That's a different story. But if you want to if you want to make use of Java programming in your system, you have to make sure that your system is being installed with Java. Understood? Any questions till here?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now let's see how this internal structure of JDK, JVM and JRE works. Okay, it's a simple format, guys. This is a simple thing how it works internally. Maybe it's very easy to understand as well, but technically you'll be able to understand, but this may not be useful for your execution purpose, because execution will takes place by Java programming internally itself. You don't need to worry about how this works technically and how this execution is going to happen technically. Don't worry about that, but still internal process, how it works, and how the execution is going to happen internally, and how the script execution can give the expected output and all, it will take care internally. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm just considering. This whole box is nothing but JDK. This whole box is nothing but JDK. Okay, JDK consists of JVM plus extra supportive libraries. Internal support libraries has to be there. So those extra libraries will be occupied with will be combined with JVM. Okay, next one. And then we have JRE. Is called JRE. Yes. Support libraries. Okay, fine. What will happen internally when you are going to execute the Java program? When you are going to execute the Java program. So initially JDK will come into the picture. Raghu, can you please switch off your camera? Okay. So initially JDK will come into the picture. JDK will send the program to JVM. JDK will send the program to JVM. JVM internally converts this program, whatever the program that you have designed, to mission level understanding format. Even JRE has to understand whatever the program that you have written, right? So in that perspective, in that case, JVM is going to convert your program into mission understandable format. That mission understandable format program will be executed here at Java runtime environment, and it will give the output. It will give the output to JVM. Again, JVM will convert the program mission level format, mission level output to user understandable output, user understandable format, and it will give the output to JDK. So here only one concept. The program that you have designed is based on your mindset. It's a mission and it's a user understandable format that has to be converted into mission understandable format, and it will process that particular program. That mission level format will be converted back to user level format, and it will display the output. And it will display the output. And it will display the output. Only thing that you have to remember is what are the phases that is being involved in this conversion process. In this conversion process, there are three things: JDK, JVM, and JRE. All these three things comes into the picture. Whenever you install Java, you cannot see JVM. You'll be able to see JDK and JRE only. Even in your system, you'll be able to see JDK and JRE. So these two things you'll be able to see. JVM will never, if physically you'll not be able to see. Physically, you'll not be able to see. Right? Any questions so far? Okay, your assignment for tomorrow is complete the pending activities, and those who have already completed, you'll get the permissions to upload those things to Google Drive. And and second thing will be get some information on features of core Java. Get some information on features of core Java. Our next session will be completely on the programmatic part. So we are going to start with OOPS concept. In OOPS concept, we are going to discuss about object, class, and all these concepts we are going to discuss. Objects and class, we are going to discuss about these concepts. Internally, we are going to discuss about methods and everything. Okay, so inheritance, polymorphism, everything will cover in this OOPS concept. So if you have any queries, we will discuss there. But for tomorrow, you need to get some inputs on the features of core Java.
Okay.
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 Yes.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, guys. Today also, today I have some work. I have to leave. So get this to be done. Maybe Jyoti, you can give permissions. You can give permissions to the candidates. They want to upload these to the drive. Once they uploaded, I'll start review on the Selenium IDE scripts, Jyoti.
I just changed the settings. Can
Okay.
anyone just try?
Working, sir.
Yeah, sir, it's getting.
Okay.
Yeah. So go ahead and upload your scripts to that drive and let me know. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Thank you, guys. Have a
Thank
nice
you,
day.
sir.
Thank you.